I am approaching the birds now. There's a lot of them. They're starting to get startled. There's some flying away. They're swarming over this patch right now. They're starting to come down. Yeah, they're starting to take off. They're flying everywhere. I think you can hear the massive sound of these birds. Now they're taking off big time. They're just flying off. They're all blackbirds. This is very abnormal for this to happen. It is quite odd. Considering we've just had a freezing rain ice storm. Hundreds of them. This is crazy. I'm surprised these trees aren't bending. There's just hundreds of thousands of them just flying. They're starting to create a line. They might be migrating or some kind of thing.